Did you know that when you sneeze, it can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a car on the highway. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing irritants from your nose, and it happens with an explosive force. That's why it's super important to cover your mouth and nose. Those tiny droplets can fly far and carry germs. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, grab a tissue or sneeze into your elbow. It's a simple move that helps keep everyone around you safe and healthy. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.